Did you know that the Turks and Caicos Islands are home to some of the clearest waters in the world? Seriously, you can see right to the bottom. If you're dreaming of a tropical getaway, this is the place to be. Hey there, Wanderlusters! Welcome to my channel. Today, we're diving into the beautiful Turks and Caicos Islands, a stunning destination for travelers in 2024. With its pristine beaches, vibrant coral reefs, and endless sunshine, this paradise offers unique experiences you absolutely cannot miss. Now let's get real for a second. While the islands are breathtaking, there are some challenges that travelers often face. First off, how do you find those hidden gems? We all know that tourist traps can be a serious buzzkill, right? You want to soak up the authentic vibe of the islands, but it can be tough to know where to go. Not to mention, with so many amazing options, it's easy to feel overwhelmed. Don't worry though, I'm here to guide you through it all so you can experience the Turks and Caicos like a pro. Alright, let's explore. First up, the beaches. You can't visit Turks and Caicos without hitting Grace Bay Beach, often hailed as one of the best in the world. The soft white sand and turquoise water are simply unbeatable. But if you want to escape the crowds, head to Long Bay Beach or Sapodilla Bay. Trust me, they're worth it. Now let's talk food. The local cuisine is a culinary delight you must try. Indulge in fresh conch fritters, a local favorite, or dive into some delicious seafood at the beachside shacks. And don't forget to sip on a rum punch. It's a tropical essential. When it comes to activities, you're in for a treat. Consider a snorkeling adventure at Coral Gardens or the Barrier Reef. You'll be amazed by the vibrant marine life. And if you're feeling adventurous, take a kayak tour through the mangroves or hop on a boat to explore the nearby islands. Each experience allows you to connect with the culture and beauty of Turks and Caicos in a way that's truly special. Now let's get to the good stuff, the insider tips. First, if you're looking to snorkel, check out the hidden spots like Pine Cay or Half Moon Bay. These areas are less crowded and absolutely stunning. And here's a gem for you, local festivals. Keep an eye out for events like the Turks and Caicos Music and Cultural Festival. It's a fantastic way to connect with the locals and experience the vibrant culture. Plus, you'll get to enjoy live music, delicious food, and dance the night away. Trust me, these insider tips will elevate your trip from great to unforgettable. So there you have it. From finding those secret beaches and indulging in delicious local cuisine to uncovering hidden snorkeling spots and enjoying lively festivals, you now have all the tools to experience the Turks and Caicos Islands like a pro in 2024. I'd love to hear from you. What's your favorite experience in the Turks and Caicos Islands? Drop your thoughts in the comments below, and don't forget to check out my other travel videos for more tips and inspiration. Until next time, keep wandering.